TradeMonster.com, 4.5 stars, best online broker, 2 years running according to Barron's. TradeMonster.com.
Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, a couple days after the lowest settlement in 3 years here, and the markets are adjusting to what 1486 as the settlement could mean to the next few months of the VIX. I think the biggest place we're seeing this right now is in May. Since the settlement number came out, we've noticed that the volatilities on individual lines in May have really increased. And nothing exhibits is better than the May 18 straddle. On Wednesday morning at the print, that straddle was worth $3. And it's been an up day yesterday, an up day today in the S&P 500. Not a couple of days you typically associate with increased vol on the VIX. But slowly but surely, that straddle has appreciated from $3 to $3.25. And a big reason that could be is because more market participants are looking at downside VIX strikes as in play. Previously, if you'd seen that straddle at $3, you'd say, well, the VIX hasn't been below 15 in 3 years. I might not get hurt too much on the downside. It could print 16, it could print 17, but I have $3 of cushion there, and it'd need to go below 15 to really hurt me. Now we've seen movements below 15, and they need to worry about the downside as well as the upside, which is always bid. So we've seen an expansion in May, June, and July volatilities because people are putting more downside strikes in play. With that, you've seen a lot of buyers of 16s. You've seen a lot of buyers of 15s. The May 15s traded 50,000 times yesterday for a dime. So some of these downside put options that had been running at very low volatilities and had been no bid are coming into play because of the April VIX settlement print. In trading today, we've seen a continuation of that theme. There was a buyer of the June 16 puts, 20,000 times for 32.5 cents. It's not just the at-the-monies that are expanding, the downside's expanding, and the upside with it. More people are expecting an unstable VIX, one that could go to 12, 13, where realized vol has been coming in, one that could go back to 30, where we saw it last month in March. This is Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.